Hello viewers, welcome back to YouTube channel. So how's you all? Hope you are all fine. Today we'll see in this video lovely viewers, lovely friends and lovely subscriber will see in this video stylish and trending landscaping designs, garden decorations, ideas. Today we'll see in this videos modern unique home decorations ideas in 2025. So lovely viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon you will get notifications. We will see in this video stylish and trending landscaping ideas, garden decoration designs. You will see in this videos attractive and trending stylish home decorations ideas. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. Today we'll see in this videos modern, attractive and trending unique landscaping ideas. Many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in this videos till the end. These were all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos. Many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in this videos till the end. You will see all very creative and trending garden decorations ideas, landscaping designs. So guys, I might suggest just keep on watching these videos till the end. You will see in these videos very creative and stylish unique landscaping ideas. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to keep your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish unique landscaping ideas. Late आई थी ना मैं. Garden decoration trends in 2025. So these are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in these videos till the end. You will see in this video stylish unique landscaping ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Nahaliya. So thank you so much guys for visiting my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy all creative and trending garden decoration designs. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos till the end. Many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in this videos till the end, so you will see all top creative and stylish landscaping designs. Garden decorations ideas. Many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in this videos till the end. You will see in this videos top stylish and trendy landscaping ideas. कल टूट गया था 2 बजे. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. मैंने तो छुट्टी वैसे की थी, वो सच्ची में रोज़ा टूट गया.